guys. Let's see. There's still a little bit of light. I got about this video, yesterday's video, and a little update from yesterday, and an update from Friday. So, mainly update videos. I'm so sorry, guys. Well, guys, I got the chainsaw started for a good while. Now it won't start again. I'm too lazy. I'm too sore to start it now. And I need to head in and get some dinner and go to bed early because I'm getting my braces off tomorrow. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. They said I probably will. Whoa. What is this? Just got all clean, guys. Oh, there's more, guys. What? Huh? What are these things? Holy crap. Hey guys, overnight the trees started dropping leaves. Lovely stuff to do this weekend. And biting my butt. And y'all thought that was all. I'm playing a little bit of this some stuff up against the house. Check out this brush, man. Check out this brush. Oh yeah, guys, more rain coming on Wednesday. Halloween night. Seriously, check out all that Halloween stuff over there. Holy crud. That, and that. And these 5 bags here from the job site. I did these 2 bags right there from here. That there's from here. That's 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 from here. So, yeah, guys. We've really done a lot. We're going to have more for those trash men next week. If you're wondering why we have so many trash cans, I borrowed some from my aunt and uncle, so. Or my aunt. So, yeah. Anyway, so guys, I'm just super tired. This chainsaw almost started today, guys. It was so darn close. It's unreal how close it was. It was right there. It was gonna start. And it was gonna start. And it almost did. And then it started. Guys, what I did is I took this stuff right here. B12 Chem Tool, which cleans entire fuel system, gas tank, intake valves, fuel pump, and carburetor. Well, I poured a little bit in the cylinder. Never do that, guys, because that stuff there will chew through anything. Well, did that and it got it started. And I gotta fix this thing right here. That to go up like that. See, it comes out, so I gotta get that fixed. Anyways, guys, we are this close to getting the chainsaw on the going side. This cover here. It's still warm from when it ran about almost just about an hour ago. So yeah, guys, it was so close though to actually starting. that's hard for y'all to believe. Well, believe it, because it actually started. I mean, it actually started. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna put this thing right back here. And just give it a little place to stay. Alright guys, that switch isn't working well. It's because the ground is still wet. And there's more rain coming. So, that's just not really fun. I love rain. And it's gotten to be so much. It's been flooding people out. So, that's why I'm mad. That's it, guys. We've had, what, 23, 24 inches of rain. About, literally, that's exactly 2 feet of water. So that's hard for some of y'all to believe. We've had 2 feet of water fall in Austin, Texas since August. And we've had an additional 8, or I think it's maybe 8 or so inches. I have to look up the total for Austin, Texas, how much rain we've had this year, because we've had a good amount. But it's getting to be so much that I don't know what to do with myself. But it's gotten to be where how do I say this? Well, it's gotten to flood people out. Our lake filled up once in 2016, and then it got down to be 60, and I think it was getting down to be in the 59% full. Well, a week ago it was at 148% full, so it's at 630 feet. And if you look at a map of Lake Travis, it's a huge lake, so this is a lot of water going into it. It was at 706 feet now. I think it's at 693 feet now. But it was at 150% full. It was at 706, 709 feet. And that's how deep it is. So, if that's hard for y'all to believe, well, thank goodness. Man. But, yeah, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I had ants eat up my legs a minute ago, so it's you know what. But anyways, guys, it's daylight savings time on Sunday, and not happy about that. It really makes me sad because I don't like short days. I mean, on Sunday night, the sun sets at 5:40. So that means it will be completely dark by 6:30 or 6:40. So, enjoying my last time for 6 months to be out here in this glorious light. Glorious light. It's 7:10 and it's decently light outside. But soon, that thing over there called the sunset will be setting at 5:40. So that's really not making me happy on Sunday. That's November. Tomorrow's the 30th. So yeah, guys, it will be setting on November 4th at 5:40. So, anyways, guys, daylight savings time is stupid. It's retarded. It shouldn't be a thing. And yeah, that's really all I gotta say now. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you guys tomorrow. You probably won't be seeing me with these things. That'll probably be coming off tomorrow. So anyways, see you later, guys. Bye.